Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna be showing you guys how I put on my eye contacts. This is my case that I have, and this is what I'm using right now. I wasn't wearing contacts for a few months, but now I'm back at wearing them just because I don't know, I just want to do my hair and makeup every day, and I feel when I wear glasses it's just not the same. That's why I decided to go back and do the contacts. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin, and I'm gonna give you guys as many information about my contacts and how I put them on and where I get them from and so on. Okay guys, where I get my contacts, they're from Target. That's where I've been getting them for years. I did try Costco one time, but they didn't really work out for me. And I know that people at the Target place, so that's where I'm getting them from. My prescription, it's a little bit different. So my right, oh, actually I think it changed because I just got a new pair. So before, I was negative zero point 0.1 on this eye, negative 1 point something on this eye, and negative 2 point something on this eye. But I want to say I'm about the same on both of them now. That is really interesting. This is my first time opening the box, so that's I'm like, what the heck? I'm surprised. This is that. And what's wrong with my eyes? I have stigmatism. For those of you that don't know what stigmatism is, pretty much your eyeball is shaped a little bit different, or like a football. And I always seem to have it a little bit worse on this eye than on this eye. Yeah. Now, for stigmatism, the contacts, you have to put them on a certain way. You have to put them with the little, there's the contact and there's a line, and that line has to be up in order for your contacts to work. So I've heard that a lot of doctors don't tell you that they don't tell you how to put them on properly. So if you have astigmatism, and if you try to wear contacts in the past and they don't seem to work, well, there's your answer. You're probably putting them on the wrong way. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how where's the line that I'm talking about, and then if you have it in your contacts and you never noticed, now you know how to put them on the right way. Okay guys, so let me show you guys the line. So you see the line in the middle? That's the line that goes up when you have stigmatism. All contacts with stigmatism have them. It's just some doctors don't tell you guys. There you go. Okay guys, so there's that, and without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my contacts, and that's that. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to wash your hands. I've never done my makeup before putting on my contacts. If anything, today I just did my eyebrows because I'm on camera, but other than that, I don't really wear my contacts. I mean, I don't really put on makeup before putting on my contacts. Let's go ahead and start. Now you want to switch, you want to change your phone, your case. I was gonna say your phone case. You want to change your eye contact case every month. Just so you know your eyes are really delicate, so you always want to keep up with that. So yeah, make sure you change this every month. You could get your cases at Target, Amazon, pretty much anywhere. So there's that, and then there's a right and left. So just make sure you put them in on the right on the right side, because it has happened to me where I end up putting in the left right here and the right over here, and then I'm like, what the heck, I can't see the next day. So it actually happened to me last week, so I thought it was funny. So just be careful. Okay, okay, let's go ahead and begin. So I'm gonna open my contact case. It's dripping a little bit, and then I get my contact right here, and I'm looking for any rips, and then there's the line. I don't know if you can see it. And then I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna open my eye, and I just put on my eye contacts. practice makes perfect. I know I struggle when I get my nails done, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So you want to just pull your eye down like this and then put it right in. So let's go ahead and do the next one now. And a lot of people add solution to their contact. I don't, just because I feel that it's moist already. So let's do it on this one too. There's your middle line. Whoa. And just let them sit. There you have it, guys. So I got my contacts on. My eyes are a little bit watery right now because I just got put them in, but I can see you guys now. So with the other glasses, I'm like really blind, and I just got a new pair. They're kind of dirty because now I'm only using them for the house. I don't sleep with my contacts. It is not recommended for you guys to sleep with your contacts. So I take them off at night and put them on in the morning. So yeah, don't sleep with your contacts on. Take them off. So eventually I want to get LASIK, but as of right now, I'm just gonna do the contacts and kind of just go from there. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions or any suggestions or an easier way to put them on, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys real quick how to apply contacts. Just because I had this conversation at work, and a lot of people that are like, do you know that? Or I'm like, you know what? I think I'll make a video about how to apply contacts. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.